Hello and welcome to my latest cooking episode. Today I will be preparing pork adobo. I will be using pork belly for this, but you can use pork shoulder. To begin, I will cut the pork belly into nice chunks. So I had to do it a little bigger on some of them because they will shrink. Now that I've done chopping or cutting the meat, these are going to be the ingredients I'll be adding to the adobo. And it'll be a half a cup of soy sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. And next I'll be adding the balsamic vinegar, oyster sauce. This is a little thicker. Next I'll add a 1 head of garlic. Next I'm going to add the onions, and it's diced. This is half of a large onion, and I'm going to add some pineapple juice for a twist. Next thing I'm going to add is brown sugar, and that's a teaspoon of brown sugar. And then I'm going to add peppercorn with some crushed or ground pepper. That's about a half of a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add some bay leaves. You could use like 3 to 5 bay leaves. Then I'll just go ahead and mix it up. This overnight. Just put a plastic on top of it and put it in the refrigerator, and then I'll cook it tomorrow. Now that I let the pork adobo set overnight, I'm going to prepare it for cooking. Okay, to start out with, I'm going to put the stove at a medium burn. Let the pan heat up a little bit, and then I'm going to put the adobo in here. The cook time for this is about an hour. After letting the adobo cook for a bit, I add water. I will add more water a little later. For this I use 1.5 cups of water. The flavor of the adobo will be tangy but creamy.
Patingin. Looking good, honey. Smells good. You're learning. You're learning, Mom. I'm proud of you.
I decided to add a little more pepper. Alright, it's almost done here. Maybe another 10 more minutes and it's ready for eating. Sure does smell good. Can you smell it? Looks good, smells good. It's going to be very tasty.
You think?
Yes. So y'all guys, what do y'all think? Does it look good? Does it smell good? Oh. Oh, what grape just get to do? Tastefully cook. So that. Very good. I want another one. I better wait. Oh man. Honey, you ready?
Wow. Ready.
All right. If this is the first time you try making adobo, let me know what you think of it.